Since we're learning so much about dinosaurs this week, I'm going to read to you an extra story. This is Guy Presents Dinosaurs. And since we're doing fact and opinion this week, I thought this would be a really good story because it's full of dinosaur facts. This is by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name, Buzz. Buzz and Fly Guy were at the Natural History Museum. This museum has lots of cool stuff, said Buzz. There are dinosaur bones in here. The sentence, this museum has lots of cool stuff, since they use the word cool, that means it's an opinion, because that's how Buzz feels about the museum. Fly Guy was excited. They went inside to learn about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs walked the earth about 250 million years ago, during the Mesozoic era. Back then, all the land on Earth was pushed together. This landmass was called Pangea. Those are facts because those can be proven true. Over millions of years, the land drifted apart to form 7 continents. That is also a fact because you can prove it to be true. Here appeared showing you what the 7 continents look like now. This is what the world used to look like when it was Pangea. Dinosaurs lived all across Pangea. Scientists have discovered 700 kinds of dinosaurs. Not all dinosaurs lived at the same time. For example, the Tyrannosaurus rex and Stegosaurus never met because they lived at different times. That is also a fact that they can prove those dinosaurs lived at different times. You use a Triceratops, a Brachiosaurus, Tyrannosaurus rex, and a Stegosaurus. Humans did not live when dinosaurs were alive, but flies did. Flyosaurus. Dinosaurs were reptiles. Reptiles are covered in scales. These are scales. Other reptiles include crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. There's crocodiles, lizard, turtle. Dinosaurs are also closely related to birds. That is because of how their leg bones join to their hips. So here it's showing a bird skeleton, and here is a dinosaur skeleton. You can see the resemblance. All dinosaurs had scales, but some even had feathers like birds. And right here it's showing what a feathered dinosaur would have looked like. The author puts in these photographs so that we can see what they look like. Baby dinosaurs hatched from eggs. Some eggs were as big as footballs. Others were small. Most dinosaur eggs were laid in nests on the ground. So here is a dinosaur egg fossil. Here are hadrosaur eggs. Here is a dinosaur nest showing down here. This is a crested duck-billed dinosaur nest. So this whole photograph is that. That's what that label says. Some dinosaurs, such as Allosaurus, ate other dinosaurs or animals. They were carnivores. Carnivores had sharp teeth for hunting and chewing meat. That is a fact because they can prove it to be true. You can see their sharp teeth in this picture. Here's what an Allosaurus looked like. Other dinosaurs like Iguanodon ate only plants. They were herbivores. Herbivores had flat teeth for chewing leaves. That is a fact because you can see that in the picture down here. This is showing you the picture of their flat teeth. And this is what that dinosaur looked like. Tyrannosaurus rex was a carnivore. T-Rex had sharp teeth and claws. It could run fast, and it had a good sense of smell. Here's a T-Rex. Here's their claws. T-Rex was about 40 feet long. That's as long as a school bus. T-Rex was a great hunter. That is why T-Rex is called King of Dinosaurs. And there's a skeleton of a T-Rex. Many dinosaurs, including T-Rex, were predators. They hunted other dinosaurs or animals called prey. Dinosaurs had weapons to scare off predators or to hunt prey. Right here is a velociraptor chasing its prey. Many predators, like velociraptor, had sharp teeth and claws. Stegosaurus was a herbivore. It had sharp spiked tail to help keep predators away. So here's a velociraptor claw, and here's that Stegosaurus tail. That's what helped keep predators from eating them. My body is a weapon. Dinosaurs survived on Earth for a long time. So were they super smart? They were good hunters and defenders, but most dinosaurs were no smarter than cats or dogs. Scientists believe that most dinosaurs had small brains. Stegosaurus had a brain the size of a walnut. So when this says, scientists believe that most dinosaurs had small brains, since it says believe, that is the scientist's opinion. They believe their brains were small. And here's what an actual size of walnut is compared to their head. Many reptiles that lived in the Mesozoic era were not dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived only on land. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles. A pterodactyl is a type of pterosaurs. So here's pterodactyls in this picture, and here's a pterodactyl landing on the ground. Plesiosaurs lived in water during the time dinosaurs lived. So here's a plesiosaur. Pterosaurs and plesiosaurs were not dinosaurs. So that's a fact because you can prove that to be true. Because it says dinosaurs lived only on land. Dinosaurs ruled the planet for 165 million years. But about 65 million years ago, they all died out or became extinct. Scientists don't know why. Some think a giant meteor hit Earth. Others think an ash cloud from volcanoes explosion blocked the sun, leaving the dinosaurs with nothing to eat. So these are all opinions because this is what the scientists think or believe happened. This is a picture of a volcano ash cloud. And here is a meteor. It says, whoa, that meteor is huge. Fossils are the remains of something that existed long ago. They can be in rocks that formed over many years. Other fossils include dinosaur bones. Scientists have learned a lot about dinosaurs by uncovering fossils. So up here we have human foot next to a dinosaur footprint. This is corpulate. Fossilized dinosaur poop is called caprolate. Caprolate is how you pronounce that. Here's a pterodactyl fossil that looks like the one from our story this week. Here's a velociraptor skull. And here is a stegosaurus skeleton. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies the history of life on Earth. This is a paleontologist in the lab. Paleontologists go on special trips called digs to look for dinosaur bones. When they find bones, they rebuild the skeletons. Here's them digging. Each bone is dug up, then it is cleaned. Next, the scientists put the bones together like a very hard puzzle. And here is a paleontologist building a dinosaur skeleton. Paleontologists sometimes make mistakes. A paleontologist put the wrong skull on a Apatosaurus skeleton. He thought it was a new kind of dinosaur and called it a Brontosaurus by mistake. In 1887, another paleontologist found a skull in Wyoming. He thought it belonged to an extinct bison. Later, he learned it belonged to Triceratops. So here is a bison compared to a Triceratops skull. Back at home, Buzz built a skeleton. Dinosaurs are awesome, he said. I can't wait to go on another field trip.